2025 Home Trends: Elegant L-shaped single-story with luxurious courtyard kitchen and cozy garden. The 2025 modern home trends are truly focused on intertwining elegance with functionality, and the L-shaped single-story design epitomizes this vision by integrating a luxury courtyard kitchen and a small garden into its framework. The architectural concept of the L-shape not only adds a contemporary flair with its clean lines and open layout, but also enhances the home's spaciousness and airy ambience, which is ideal for modern living. The design encourages a seamless flow between spaces, promoting both social interaction and personal comfort. At the core of this home is the luxury courtyard kitchen, which serves as a vibrant hub connecting the living room and dining areas. This kitchen combines high-end finishes with functional design, offering both ample storage and sophisticated aesthetics. With an emphasis on open accessibility, this space allows for easy interaction, whether you're cooking a casual meal or hosting a dinner party. It transforms cooking and entertaining into a delightful experience, where functionality meets luxury. Complementing this central space is the small garden, an inviting outdoor retreat that balances the home's interior elegance with nature's tranquility. Thoughtfully integrated, the garden serves as a peaceful sanctuary, perfect for relaxation and reflection. This aspect of the home not only elevates its aesthetic appeal, but also fosters a connection with the natural world, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. By bridging the indoors and outdoors, it creates a harmonious living environment that resonates with modern sensibilities. The allure of the L-shaped design lies in its dual ability to offer both privacy and openness. It effectively uses the courtyard as a decor focal point, where sunlight dances through greenery, casting a warm and serene ambience throughout the space. The luxurious materials chosen for the home's interiors enhance this warmth, ensuring every nook is both welcoming and stylish. This design is tailored to those who value elegance, comfort, and sustainability, encapsulating the essence of 2025's modern home trends. As sustainability becomes increasingly significant, this home model responds with a design that focuses on eco-friendly practices without sacrificing comfort or luxury. The courtyard kitchen paired with the small garden demonstrates a practical yet sophisticated solution to sustainable living. Here, the concept of luxury is not just about opulence, but also about thoughtful planning and respect for the environment. It's a space where style meets sensibility, encouraging a lifestyle that is both eco-conscious and indulgent. In this modern home, style, comfort, and nature intertwine beautifully, creating a living space that stands as a testament to the evolving landscape of contemporary housing. The harmonious blend of elegant furnishings, lush garden greenery, and an open-plan layout promotes fluidity and connection, offering a setting that feels both luxurious and inviting. This design truly captures the essence of modern living, providing a balanced lifestyle that caters to the demands and desires of today's world. A perfect blend of beauty and functionality, it exemplifies the modern way of living, where every moment at home is cherished and enjoyed.